Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have another crochet project that I'm working on, and I'm really in love with this super soft cotton yarn from Bernat.
So what I really like about this blend is that it is a 60% cotton and 40% acrylic. So that means it's going to be machine washable, dryable, easy to work with, not too stiff of a yarn, but you're still going to get that 60% cotton, and it's very, very soft. And the color is also called cotton, so it's a creamy, light ivory color, which is perfect for the neutral blanket project that I'm working on. So I really love this yarn.
I was excited to use cotton. Obviously, it's going to be very easy to keep clean and very easy and durable to use. But I also love the way the yarn glides. It's very nice to work with. It doesn't fray or snag. Has a little bit of give, a little bit of stretch, and it's extremely soft. So if you're looking for a cotton yarn like I was, but that is easy to work with and extremely soft, then I highly recommend this yarn from Bernat. And that is my point of view.